Welcome back to the course. In this lecture, we will be discussing the importance of creating a content calendar as a key step in the content creation process. First, let's define what a content calendar is. A content calendar is a schedule of when you will publish your content. It includes the topics, formats, and distribution channels for your content, as well as the dates and times that you will publish them. The purpose of a content calendar is to help you plan and organize your content creation and distribution efforts and ensure that you are consistently creating and distributing new content. Why is it important to have a content calendar? A content calendar is a tool that helps you keep your content creation and distribution organized and on track. A content calendar allows you to plan ahead and make sure you have enough content to meet your publishing schedule. This means you won't be scrambling at the last minute to come up with something to post. Consistency is key when it comes to content marketing, and a content calendar helps you be consistent with your content creation and distribution. This helps you build a loyal audience who can count on you for regular, high-quality content. A content calendar also allows you to align your content with events, holidays, and other relevant happenings. This makes your content more timely and relevant to your audience, which helps keep them engaged. So, there you have it. A content calendar is a valuable tool for keeping your content creation and distribution organized, consistent, and relevant. Now, let's take a look at how to develop a content calendar. There are a few key steps to follow. Step 1. Determine your publishing frequency. Step 2. Choose your content topics and formats. Step 3. Select your distribution channels. Step 4. Plan out your content calendar. Let's explain Step 1. Determine your publishing frequency. How often do you want to publish new content? This will depend on your goals, resources, and audience. For example, if your goal is to drive website traffic, you may want to publish new content more frequently, daily, or several times per week. If your goal is to engage and retain current customers, you may want to publish new content less frequently, weekly or bi-weekly. Let's move to Step 2. Choose your content topics and formats. What topics will your content cover, and in what format will it be presented? Blog posts, videos, podcasts? It's important to choose topics and formats that will be of interest to your target audience and your goals. For example, if you are a health and wellness brand, you may choose to create blog posts that feature natural remedies for common health issues. If your target audience is more visual, you may choose to create videos that demonstrate how to make natural remedies at home. Step 3. Select your distribution channels. How will you distribute your content? Social media, email marketing. How will you It's important to choose distribution channels that will reach your target audience and that align with your goals. For example, if your target audience is active on social media, you may choose to distribute your content through social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn. If your target audience is more likely to engage with email marketing, you may choose to distribute your content through email newsletters. It's important to test different distribution channels to see which ones are most effective in reaching and engaging your target audience. Finally, Step 4. Plan out your content calendar. Now that you have determined your publishing frequency, content topics and formats, and distribution channels, it's time to plan out your content calendar. This may involve creating a spreadsheet or using a content calendar tool, such as CoSchedule or Hootsuite. Your content calendar should include the topics, formats, and distribution channels for your content, as well as the dates and times that you will publish them. Once you have developed your content calendar, it's important to implement it in your content creation workflow and it involves a few key steps. Step 1. Assign tasks and deadlines. Step 2. Use a project management tool. Step 3. Make adjustments as needed. Let's explain it. First step, assign tasks and deadlines. Once you have developed your content calendar, it's important to assign tasks and deadlines for content creation and distribution. This may involve assigning specific topics and formats to different team members or contractors, and setting deadlines for when each piece of content needs to be completed. By assigning tasks and deadlines, you can ensure that your content is being created and distributed on schedule. Next step is use a project management tool. A project management tool can help you to keep track of progress, assign tasks, and stay organized. There are many different project management tools available, such as Asana, Trello, and Basecamp, which offer features like task assignments, deadlines, and project overviews. By using a project management tool, you can easily see what tasks are in progress, who is responsible for each task, and when tasks are due. The final step is make adjustments as needed as you implement your content calendar. You may find that you need to make adjustments based on changes in your business, your audience, or your content marketing goals. For example, you may discover that certain topics or formats are more successful in reaching your target audience than others, or that you need to adjust your publishing schedule based on changes in your business or industry. It's important to be flexible and willing to make adjustments as needed to ensure that your content marketing efforts are effective. By following these steps, you can effectively create and distribute high-quality content that aligns with your business goals and effectively reaches your target audience. In conclusion, creating a content calendar is an important step in the content creation process. By planning out when and how you will publish your content, you can ensure that you are consistently creating and distributing new content that aligns with your business goals and effectively reaches your target audience. By following these steps and implementing a content calendar in your content creation workflow, you will be well on your way to creating a successful content marketing strategy.